Hello and welcome to RGS Parent Portal tutorial video. In this video, I will show to you how to find the timetable of your child and how to view it or to print it. So let's start. To view the timetable of your child and to print it, you need to go here on this tab called Parent Information, and below you will see the pop-up window with title School Timetable. Just click here and it will open the new video with new window with the timetable where you can see the timetable of your child. So for every single child the timetable is published on Parent Portal, and how to see that. So if you have more than one child in RGS, so only what you need to do is click here and change it. Automatically it will move to the timetable of your another child that you have in RGS. Now, as you can see it here, all these fields, cells are the white, but only this column is the blue. The reason for that, because today is Monday, so that means this is the lesson that your child will have in the school. Now, how to print this? You can go it here and click print. It will automatically show you the option to print on PDF or to print directly to your printer. If you don't like that and you would like to export then to print, then you can do it in this way. Go to the parent information again, go to the school timetable, just go down, and here you have export timetable. When you click export timetable, you will have three options to export. You can export in Excel, you can export in PDF file, or HTML file, that means to export like a web page. I suggest to export always in PDF file, which is more easy and convenient for you, and of course easy to print. So when you click export, it will automatically download. Here you can download export file when you click on it. So just download, and as you can see, it's already here. The timetable is ready for printing or to save it on your laptop, tablet, mobile or computer, whatever device you're using or you like to print it. So it's just up to you. This is the way how to export, to print or to view the timetable of your child. Thank you for watching.